hopefully you can see everything as I move up downstairs for locations because people are trying to sleep. I have 6 bags left to go through. My phone apparently only likes a certain length of video before it decides it doesn't want to do it anymore. I'm not quite sure what to do about that, but we're going to try to speed things up and try to get this done in one more video, but it might take 2, so that would mean there's 5 parts to this video. So let's get started. First up is this beautiful, beautiful bead necklace. Oh my gosh. I remember getting this one. I think I paid up for this. I think this was like a couple dollars into itself. I can't even say like what the justice for this would be. Look at the size of the claw clip. Look at the gorgeous beads on this. I did buy this, I think, mainly for resale, but I would love to be able to wear this at least once somewhere. Like, oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. Like, I don't even know how it goes. Technically that should be in the back, but that doesn't make any sense because it should, I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning in so many ways, but I don't know how it goes on the mannequin. Hold on. I'm gonna say this pendant has some kind of repair because I tried to string this back through to make it go for the middle, but I couldn't. It doesn't have the same edges line up, but I don't care. This is gorgeous. We'll figure out how it works, and that just means that, hey, maybe I get to keep it and I get to wear it either this way, or I can wear it that way, or I can wear it this way. I don't know, but I will figure it out and maybe repair it if needed. I just know that these beads are amazing and smooth. So next up is this bundle of earrings. These are some ginormous star pentagram earrings. Holy moly. These would be really great for some gothic person. These are super, super large. I would say for these maybe like 10 to 15, only because this one's slightly bent, but very, very nice. Definitely very large. I think I paid maybe $2 for the whole bundle. There's these really cute rainbow clay earrings. So I would say like these would go probably in the $5 to $7 range. Those are cute. There's these clip earrings that, yeah, a lot of clip earrings are put together, I guess, so the other pair doesn't get lost. I don't know a lot about clip earrings, but I would say at least $5. Here is, I don't know, here is 2 gold tone earrings, just simple earrings. Again, I would say max on these $5. Some little teeny tiny gold earrings, a couple of dollars. These one vintage clip earring, or maybe a shoe thing, I don't know. Either way, I could probably sell this one because it's metal. It's probably from the 70s or 80s, and maybe just sell it as a 1 earring thing for a couple dollars. These little things would also be like Christmas balls, so for a couple dollars. Couple dollars on those as well. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are pretty green ones. Couple of dollars in those. These really cool purple stone ones. I mean, we really can't go wrong when your entire lot costs $2 and you get all these earrings in there. Those are really neat feeling. Really kind of cool. Really neat. I think these are shoe clips. They look like shoe clips over earrings, but they're kind of vintage fabric-y kind. It's a couple of dollars. Some little hoops, a couple dollars. Little plastic vintage boho earrings, a couple dollars, and one pearl stud, a couple dollars. So I would say that total for that bag, that lot, I would say $40 net. Picked up some boho gothy jewelry, mainly bracelets. So you got this leather one. I would say that this leather one maybe about $5 or $10 about. This one also is a nice leather kind of goth like cuff, so maybe $5 to $10 as well. This is a really cool one. I really like that one a lot. I like how it moves like that. I had to try that on. That is really cool. That would look really cool with my Halloween costume. I really like that. That one particularly, I think would sell probably in the $10 range. Paparazzi seems to be kind of a common piece of jewelry. This one's brand new with tags, so that's kind of cool. So I would say from the $5 to $10 range. Yeah, neat. Boho. Ooh, this is kind of cool with these boho beads. Also, $5 to $10 range. Not too shabby. And last but not least, a Hawaii Makano Kauai bracelet. So I would say there's a souvenir, $5 or so, depending. So $50 net would be my estimate. I opened 3 bags just to kind of speed things up a little bit. The first one is a turtle brooch that I bought, I think separately, just as one, so I probably paid about $2 for it. Took it out of the package just so you can see it a little bit more closely. Very, very cute gold turtle. I love how he came in like this little floss or little tiny clear thing. I think that's such a cool thing to put jewelry in. These little dangly earrings, those are cute. Turtle for resale, probably I would say 5 to 10. These probably 5. We know, of course, that these are not going anywhere. These are resale and shipped earrings. Those are gonna be mine. Anything with the boat, yeah, here we go. But if I were to sell these, I would say $10. Ooh, these are really cute. I like them. They're like super kind of sparkly, kind of nice. I would say anywhere from 5 to 10. Next up is just really pretty rainbow, like reggae bracelet, seed bead bracelet. I would imagine that this would also be about 5 to 10, depending. This is like, oh, what was this? This was this little hand bracelet with the really cool blue beads. Kind of could be just put together like so, and then it has a nice hand. I can't remember what this is. It's like kind of Indian palmistry type deal. I would say this one would be probably $10. Really nice little stretchy, just plain seed bead bracelet. Just really nice quality and nice feel. Yeah, so probably about $10. This is gorgeous. I love how everything is individually a different glass stone. This is such a pretty bracelet. It's probably a really expensive bracelet to be able to do all of that. So I would imagine that resale would be in the $20 to $25 range. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. $85 net estimate. Last baggie. We've got this beautiful floral necklace. Trying to see what it looked like on the little necklace holder thing. I really like that. It's very Barbie core to me. Very much so. With the Barbie core in the title, I would say you could probably do like $20 on that necklace easy. Very cute kind of boho recycled beads thing. I probably don't have it laying quite right there, but it's definitely a cute thing that I would say would be about $15 on that one. Cute, really cute enamel flowers. Not quite matchy-matchy with the earrings and everything, but still cute nonetheless. If you flipped it over and wanted to wear it that way, I think that's really cute too. I would say $10 on these. Really nice, like pearlescent stones. I really need to figure out what these are because I have several necklaces that have these on them. I don't know how to describe it, if they're shell or if they're like a stone. So if anybody knows, please put it in the comments. I would much appreciate it. But I really like that. I would say about 15 on that one. Very pretty necklace. Very long necklace pendant with the hearts. I really like that. It's got little rose in there too as well. Super cute. I would say this one would probably be in the $15 range. And I'm layering up this piece so you can see the whole thing with the black beads and the silver. This is otherwise very, very long. Put it on the carpet here to see just how long in length it is. And this one was also really long, like just super, super long. This is exactly how I'm liking necklaces right now, like ones that hang really, really far, and I think that's really popular right now. So again, this necklace right here, I would say based on like the beads and the metal, I would say this one would be probably a $15 piece. Net. 80 right here, so 80 net. Actually 90 because I forgot this one. I'm going to flash the total net that I would imagine down in the lower right, my right hand screen, because I didn't bring my pen and paper like I had upstairs. So again, with the exception of this, which I think I paid like $6 for, I think most of each of the lots were about like $2 a piece, so like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or so, maybe $16 for all of those. So thank you for watching. Hopefully I have this video all in one, and you should definitely check out Country Bumpkin. She is a Whatnot seller on Whatnot. You can use the code, my code, in the description, and I think you get $10 off. I am not a Whatnot seller yet, but I hope to be one soon. But they have really great shows, and you should check them out. See you later. Bye.